How to ditch your maintenance fee without breaking the bank. I'm Brian Khatambakhsh, and this is another episode of my real estate tips from my car. I was doing the math for a client yesterday. It seems like it's a perfect time to ditch those high maintenance, ever rising maintenance fees and move into a freehold townhome or a condo, semi or a detached. So it's a perfect time if you own one of those condos that has high maintenance fee and it's keep rising. And it's getting under your skin because it's just keep going up and up. I don't see any benefit out of it. It's time to look into the math. We have done the math. It's very possible. As little as about maybe $15 a month. You can ditch that maintenance fee, move into a freehold, and get rid of that forever. Because of the interest rates, things have moved a lot into favor of the smaller homes and condos. So this is one of the best times because the gap narrowed a lot. We done the math. If you're interested to find out more, give me a call. It's time to ditch that damn maintenance fee, ever rising maintenance fee, and move into a freehold. I'm Brian Khatambakhsh. For more information, 647-848-2652 is the number you can reach me. Text, call, email, you can reach me at anywhere, or DM me. Ditch that maintenance fee without breaking the bank. I'm Brian Khatambakhsh. You can reach out anytime. You're a real estate consultant. Until tomorrow, have a fantastic day.